My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi. My name is My name is
What?
My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi. My name is
What?
Excuse me,
My name is
Slim Shady.
can I have the attention of the class
My name
for
is
1 second?
My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi kids, do you like violence? Wanna see me stick 9-inch nails to each one of my eyelids? Wanna copy me and do exactly like I did? Try sit and get fucked up worse than my life is? My brain's dead weight, I'm trying to get my head straight, but I can't figure out which Spice Girl I wanna impregnate. And Dr. Dre said,
Slim Shady, you a basic. Then why's your face red, man? You wasted.
well, since age 12, I felt like I'm someone else, cause I hung my original self from the top bunk with a belt. Got pissed off and ripped Pamela Lee's tits off and smacked her so hard I knocked her clothes backwards like Chris Cross. I smoke a fat pound of grass and fall on my ass faster than a fat bitch who sat down too fast. Come here, slut. Shady, wait a minute, that's my girl, dawg. I don't give a fuck, God sent me to piss the world off.
Hi. My name is
What?
My name is My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi. My name is
Huh?
My name is
What?
My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi. My name is
What?
My name is My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi. My name is
Huh?
My name is
What?
My name is
Slim Shady.
My English teacher wanted to flunk me in junior high. Thanks a lot. Next semester I'll be 35. I smacked him in his face with an eraser. Chased him with a stapler. Stapled his nuts to a stack of paper. Walked in a strip club. Had my jacket zipped up. Flashed the bartender. Then stuck my dick in a tip cup. Extraterrestrial. Running over pedestrians in a spaceship while they screaming at me. Let's just be friends. 99% of my life I was lied to. I just found out my mom does more dope than I do. I told her I'd grow up to be a famous rapper. Make a record about doing drugs and name it after. You know you blew up when the women rush your stands and try to touch your hands like some screaming Usher fans. This guy at White Castle asked for my
Dude,
autograph,
can I get your
so I signed it.
autograph?
Dear Dave, thanks for the support, asshole.
Hi. My name is
Huh?
My name is My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi. My name is
What?
My name is My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi. My name is
Huh?
My name is My name is
Slim Shady.
Hi. My name is
What?
My name is My name is
Slim Shady.
Stop the tape, this kid needs to be locked away.
Get him!
Dr. Dre, don't just stand there, operate. I'm not ready to leave, it's too scary to die.
Fuck
I'll
that.
have to be carried inside the cemetery and buried alive. Am I coming or going? I can barely decide. I just drank a fifth of vodka. Dare me to drive?
Go ahead.
All my life I was very deprived. I ain't had a woman in years. And my